Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your chainsaw in optimal work condition, and sharpening the chain is an essential part of that. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step procedure to ensure your chainsaw stays sharp and efficient. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Assessing the chain. Before we begin sharpening, it's important to assess the condition of the chain. Look out for any damaged or worn out teeth, as these may need to be replaced. If the chain is excessively damaged or has missing teeth, it's recommended to consult a professional. Assuming your chain is in good condition, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Gathering the tools. To sharpen a chainsaw, you will need a few tools. A round file of appropriate diameter for your chain, a filing guide to maintain consistent angles, a depth gauge tool, a flat file, a wooden block, and gloves for safety. Make sure you have all these tools ready before proceeding. Step 3. Securing the chainsaw. Start by securing the chainsaw firmly to prevent any accidental movement. You can use a vise or clamp to hold it steady. Remember to disengage the chain brake to allow free movement of the chain during sharpening. Step 4. Filing the cutters. Now let's begin sharpening the cutters. Place the filing guide on the cutter, ensuring it aligns with the correct filing angle. Insert the round file into the guide and position it against the depth gauge. Use smooth, steady strokes to file away the metal. Repeat this process for each cutter, maintaining consistent pressure and angle. Step 5. Adjusting the depth gauges. Next, we will adjust the depth gauges. These determine how deep the cutters penetrate into the wood. Using the depth gauge tool, file down any protruding depth gauges until they are level with the cutting teeth. Be careful not to remove too much material, as it can affect the chain's performance. Step 6. Filing the rackers. Lastly, we will file the rackers. These are small metal projections in front of each cutter. Using a flat file, file down the rackers to maintain the recommended height, which ensures efficient cutting performance. Remember to maintain a consistent angle and pressure throughout the process. And there you have it. Sharpening a chainsaw doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you can keep your chainsaw in excellent cutting condition and ensure safer and more efficient operation. Remember, always wear appropriate safety gear and consult your chainsaw's manual for specific instructions. Thanks for watching and happy sharpening.